Yo yo, what's happening YouTube? So this is just basically a quick how-to video on fixing your phone. Phone in question is a Huawei P Smart 2018 model. I've ordered the item off eBay. The item's arrived, fixed it all together myself. And yeah, job done. I was originally quoted £115 to have this fixed at a shop. I'm not going to mention which shop it were, but yeah, as I say, I've managed to get the part off eBay and fixed it myself. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If it does help you, please hit that like button, share and subscribe. Peace. So basically, this is my phone, Huawei P Smart. Obviously the screen went here. I took screen off because, like I said, the screen was broke. So this is the back of the phone. So it goes on back, so the phone will sit in here like so, and that's the back of the phone. That's your fingerprint flexi cable, and that goes just under there, inside there. I'm going to get to that in a minute. Now, I've ordered one screen off eBay, and as you can tell, it's fine. It's not actually damaged or anything, but it's like bled inside the screen. It's gone black and green, and so sorry, red and green stripes all the way down the screen, and you know it's broke. So basically, I got in touch with the seller on eBay, and they issued me a full refund. So I mean, I only spent like £18.92 on it. That were including VAT. So yeah, they issued me a full refund. It came with all these, which are the tools you'll need to get your screen off, get your screws out and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll show you the new part what I've just received, and it's just come from a seller called Repair Outlet on eBay, and it's come very well packaged. If I were to order from somebody such as, you know, something for a phone, I'd definitely order from these, because as I say, it's come very well packaged and very well presentable, and I'm actually amazed with what they've sent me. They've basically sent me another phone, a brand new phone basically, and I ordered a screen. So I spent £18.92 on a screen which is faulty, got my money back, and I spent, I think it were a little bit less on this one, and they've basically sent me this, the whole thing, but it's got the screen on it. And look how well packaged it was. I mean, it was inside box with that foam on it. Just look at that. It's the original thing. It's even got a screen protector on it already. As I say, this is the new one, and that is my phone. So all I need to do is take these screws out here, as you can see, which will release these, which keep these in place, and then all the chipboard will come out. All this comes off. Obviously I don't need battery, but I can keep it for a safe one. Undo all this and connect it all. Yeah, so it's very straightforward, and I'll get back to that when it's done. So as you can see, I've took everything off at the top and bottom, put it onto a new phone. So now that's all that's left is to clip this onto there, screw this with that screw across there, and then push the back on, turn it on. Bear with me. So as I said, I've just reattached the fingerprint scanner back to the chipboard, and now all that's left is to put the back on. So that's it. The phone is on, all back together. Let's turn it on. Hey, and that's how you do it, people. Don't be going to shops and spending silly money on unneeded repairs. I got quoted £115 for this to be mended, and like I say, all I've had to spend is just over £18, and yeah, it's fixed. I'll have all links in the description for you, but like I say, big shout out to Repair Outlet on eBay. Yeah, so yeah, I hope this has helped anyone. If it has, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, please share away, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.